Hello guys, today we're going through Leetcode question 242, valid anagram. Given two strings, s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So first we have condition 1. Check length of both strings. So we know anagram will have to be, the length of both strings has to be exactly the same. So if they're not the same length, they can't be anagram. So if length of s, string s, not equal to length of string t, return false. Now we have to create two dictionary to track character frequency. So we call it count s for string s, count t for string t, and we could create two dictionaries. So now we create a for loop to iterate every character in the string. So we do for I in range s. So why we use range here, for example, if string s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, range will only count to 6. So we know index starts from 0. So this is good. So we do count s, and then we use the dictionary. The key will be index I to string s. So first we need to retrieve it from the dictionary. So we would do count t, count s dot get, and then we'll do the same. So why we have to use dot get here, because if it's first time appear, you have to use dot get, otherwise it will give key error. So I have to use dot get, and then we initialize it as 0. But like every time it appeared, you have to add 1 every time, so 1 plus. And then same as count t, you do the same thing for count t, and then index I to the string t. So this will be the key, and then we'll use it. We'll add 1 every time it appears. Count t dot get, just to make sure there's no key error. Initialize it as 0. So now we have to compare frequency, character frequency in both dictionaries. So we do for c, character, in count s. So if count s is using the key, every key to check every key, is not same as count t dot get. We'll use dot get here for count t just in case count t doesn't have the same key as count s, because we're just checking count s at the moment. So we do c, then we initialize as 0, return false. Remember, indentation is very important in Python. And then we do return true if we run the whole loop and check everything, and then this, like, it will return true at the end. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, forgot. Okay, run it. Okay, now it's good. So good. Thank you for listening. I hope this video helped you. Thank you, and see you another time. Bye.